Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today we've got the Zodiac MX8 and we're going to change out the body panels on the sides. Alright, we're back. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe, but let's dive into this video. So we've got body panels on a Zodiac MX8. We have these gray body panels on the tops, okay? Sometimes they get cracked or scuffed or broken. So this video, we're gonna show you how to replace them. So let's go ahead and dive on in and let's get cracking. So what I'm gonna do, I like the cleaner closed when I start, because first things you gotta do is take the tracks off, so that way you can kind of work with it. So tracks come off, you just pull them off. And then, once the tracks are off, all you have to do to take off the entire side is loosen this one screw. So, this is the coolest part. Right where the screw is, there's a little tab, pull it. Now I need the top open. So, pull it off, your whole entire assembly comes off. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna keep that off to the side. Let's take off our other body panel. Hello. All right. Body panels are now off. So as you can see, both gearboxes are attached to the body panels with this one little screw. So as you can see, screw, this is side A and side B. Body panels are non-universal, so you have to make sure you get a side A body panel if you're replacing your side A. As you can see inside there, hoping you can see it, there's an A there and a B there. So on the inside, it'll tell you if you have an A or a B body panel. So let's go ahead and take them apart. So put my screw tip back in. Takes the one screw and the next screw. And you'll notice that the beauty of these, they just come right apart. So on both of these, literally the gearboxes will just come right on out, real easy. And then putting them back in, you put the gearboxes back in, and that one screw just kind of threads right back in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten it. Now I'm gonna put my other one back in. Okay, so now let's put our body panels and our gearboxes back into our cleaner. So I'm gonna open up my lid. So as you can see, let's try this side. So see how it's not lining up? Because that's I have it on the wrong side. So I'm gonna slide this one over here, but I'm gonna show you the beauty of these things going in, these little tabs down here. You wanna kind of like a scooping motion. That's the easiest way to do it. So you're gonna slide it in, and then it actually clips right in. So it literally just pushes right in, real easy. So one more time, there we go. So there's no like really perfect way to do it, but you just kind of get it lined up and then push. So you're just gonna push right in. So other than that, I'm gonna tighten up these body panels to the side of the MX8 again. Put my tracks back on. Tracks are nice because they just kind of stretch over and just kind of attach right back on. But yeah, this is how you replace the body panels on a Zodiac MX8. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.